Be honest. If I invited you to a room party and it was a jockstrap party and everyone had to show up in jockstraps, just kidding, you don't have to show up in one. Would you go? Yes, yes, no, I guess. Damn, if I really asked you, Gemini, you'd say no? If I felt confident enough? Okay. Dude, you guys will be fine. I'm a lady, can I still wear a jockstrap? Yeah, of course you can. Dude, of course. I remember the first time I went to a jockstrap party, it was hosted by Loam at like TFF or something. I can't remember, or some other con, I can't remember. And Loam was giving everyone wristbands that was like, they were like red, yellow, or green. And green was like, please feel free to touch me wherever. And red was like, don't touch me. And then yellow was like, please ask first. And I thought that was a really great touch. I was like, damn, I kind of like that, you know? Consent is very important, y'all. Big fan. I was a very big fan of that. And I picked the red one because I was like, I don't want y'all to touch me. I don't want y'all to catch the ugly from me. And I saved everyone's life that day. Yinsfer has that system too? Damn. Great minds think alike. I want a big purple jockstrap. Do it. Do it. Dude, be the change you want to see in the world. I'll take the red one and find a comfy corner to sit. Yeah, I mean, most of the time people were just like on their phones. It was just like people who were like really horny, like doing stuff, and then everyone else is just sitting there. Like me, I was just like, it was like, damn, dude, these furries are kind of wild, you know? Just gonna say, okay, there's a reason why COVID likes to live at cons. Jeez, I need to drag your ass to Yinsfer. Why? Wait, I don't even know. Wait, but why? Yo, is that Frey you're drawing? No. No. Yeah. Why? Are you gonna beat me up? Don't beat me up, please. I'm just a little hyena artist who doesn't like feet. Like, and now I'm not judging or anything, but there are hyenas out there who love feet. And we just have to distinguish ourselves. Hi, Drace, how's it going? Dude, Drace. Ew, wait, this is Gracie Abrams. No. Baby Frey, what wristband would you wear at a party?